In this video, I'll give you an overview of the hardware that is required to perform the practical experiments of our new course about basic motor control technology. If you want to learn more about the course, which is aligned to professional requirements, you can watch our other video that specifically explains the learning content and its structure. Let's see what is included. Two versions are available. We have a modular system or a suitcase system. If you have the modular system, there is a power supply, a motor, a mechanical load, the switching components, and several other modules. You can use these modules in a workstation equipped with standard A4 frames or directly on a table. We recommend the motor designed for the system for uniformity and because it has fault switches that will be used in the troubleshooting sections of the course. But if you want to use another compatible electrical machine, like Festo's TP1410, electrical machines from the LabVolt series or other motors, it's totally possible. Also, if you have a compatible power supply or other modules, you can use them. We design modular learning solutions to grant teachers maximum flexibility and cost efficiency. With the suitcase system, the switching components and the mounting plate are stored in the lid, and all other control and power components are integrated in the faceplate. For the complete scope of delivery, please check the website with your representative. Please note that both systems require three-phase power. Now, what can the students do with the training packages? They can build motor control circuits for study and hands-on experimentation purposes. We created two video demonstrations showing how to build a three-wire control circuit using the modular system and the suitcase system if you're curious to see the system in use. Once again, I invite you to learn more about our turnkey course that features a collection of hands-on learning exercises to perform with the equipment. The training packages create realistic industrial setups. Students work with real switching components from Siemens. Schematics in the course are made using ePlan, like in the industry, and introduce students to both IEC and NEMA standards, because they will see both in their professional life. The training packages control use 24 volts DC, a standard control voltage in the industry, for more safety and reliability. The equipment allows you to put your students' troubleshooting skills to the test and develop transversal skills like critical thinking and problem solving. This is paramount in the workplace, so we included a lot of troubleshooting tasks in the course. Over the years, we saw that it's easier to teach troubleshooting skills with basic controls rather than complex circuits. There are also manual fault switches on several modules and on the motor. Teachers can fault switching components by inserting fault cards. The training packages create a safe learning environment for students. Equipment follows UL and CSA standards, and the modular system also complies to CE regulation. The grounding method is convenient and safe. Students connect the power circuits with 4 mm safety cables and connect the control circuits with 2 mm safety cables. This protects the equipment because it avoids dangerous mix-up between the high and low voltages, which could cause the failure of components, and ensures reliability and long life of the equipment. The motor and the mechanical load kit are equipped with a fail-safe mechanism in case the protective guard is removed during operation. In the suitcase system, the motor with its inertial load is safely covered. All the hardware is produced here in our Canadian plant and goes through strict quality control. Also, hardware is designed to be rugged and easily repaired. Installation is a breeze, no countless adapters preparation is needed. As you can see, we developed a didactic solution without compromising on realism, and we think that the complete solution, which is the combination of sound courseware and hardware, will provide maximal learning value, but also maximal value for your investment. All details regarding the training packages are available on our website. If you have questions or comments, please contact a Festo Didactic sales representative. Thank you for listening.